Hi guys, there is my airplane. There is the transmitter, and there is your transmitter. There is remote control. FS-T6. Let's try to change it. I'll try it. Change. This is your remote. The first. The second. The third. And fourth. You can see here. Let's connect the battery. Let's connect the battery. You can see this flame. What is it? And you see. Phew. This flame. It's burned. It's burned. I don't know what is it. It's burned. You see? It's unbelievable. This remote are very good. But this remote control are not excellent. It's burned. Please help. What should I do with this remote? Thank you. And now you can see how it works with my old, this primitive remote control. Fashion F4. I have connected transmitter the same as I'm sorry, but you can see how it works. And it works.